Chaos is not what it's made to be. No. Just say you won't let go, 'cause my bones can't keep taking this. And I think you should know just how long I've been faking it. These walls are caving in. I could use some saving. Hold me till I fall apart. Break me till I'm broken in. 'Cause I've been lost but never found. So
Hi guys, welcome back. Today, as you can tell by the title, we are going to Ikea to get some organization inspiration. Like I've mentioned in a previous video, this year I'm really focusing on organizing my life. That includes my house, and Ikea I think is a perfect place to go. They have so many areas and rooms that showcase a lot of inspiration for organization, and I think that will help me see all the products and how they're kind of styled and organized in a space. I just need to kind of get an idea of some products that are out there so I can start organizing. But before we head out there, I want to finish getting ready, and I want to thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring this portion of today's video. They sent me a few new pieces to add to my collection, and I'm so excited to open the package. I've worked with them, I think this is my third time now, and it's been such a pleasure working with them. I've enjoyed all of their pieces. I really haven't had much jewelry in my collection until I started working with them, so most of my jewelry is from them. And what I love is that they are carbon neutral, they're also water neutral, and they're pretty affordable compared to other places for their quality. So all their pieces start at $39. But yeah, I got this package, which is so sweet. They also come in these little travel packages that are magnetic. Oh, these are beautiful. So I got some new Huggies. So I am someone who really loves wearing hoops, but I don't like to wear extremely large ones, at least not on a daily basis. I wear more smaller hoops. So both of these are from Ana Luisa. So you'll see this one is a Huggy with a lightning bolt, and then this one is a more braided hoop. And then I also have other Huggies from them that I wear that are just like everyday staple pieces. The quality is so great. I wear them in the shower. You know, I don't ever take them off unless, you know, I'm trying to switch up my style and change into a new earring. Now, I do take my necklaces off most of the time when I shower. There's been times where I haven't, and again, I haven't had any issues with the quality. I've been working with Ana Luisa since this past summer, and I haven't had any issues. They don't recommend you showering with them, so I'm not gonna tell you guys to, but my earrings I typically don't take off, but I do try to take off my necklaces. But these are such great products to get as like a gift for someone or for yourself if you're in the market for more jewelry but don't really know where to start. I think Ana Luisa is a perfect place to go, and they have a variety of things there too. It's not just earrings. I have necklaces, bracelets, rings. I've just kind of stayed in like the necklace and earring portion, but I do want to branch out and get rings and some bracelets. I don't wear those items very often, but I want to kind of up that collection. So this one is a smaller package that I've never seen, so I'm gonna open this one. Oh, so I got one of the rings. Now this one is so beautiful. Love that. That's really pretty, and it's very delicate, so I like more delicate type of jewelry. And as you can tell, I do like gold, so a lot of the pieces that I get are gold, but that's not all that they have. Ana Luisa is so kind to have given me a code for you guys. So if you guys click on the link in the description box and use FaithL20, you'll get additional 20% off your order. So I think I'm gonna change into these ones. Now these ones are the new ones that I got, and again, they're just a little bit more, look a little bit more braided. I'm gonna finish putting these on, and then we can head out to Ikea. It's kind of a very gloomy day, and the drive there is a little long, but I think we can make it through it. Just turn on a podcast and some music, and then I'll take you guys along to Ikea. So let's go.
this is not what it's made to be. No, just say you won't let go.
This bookcase is new to me. I've never seen it before and I really like it. I think it's interesting. It has variations in the widths and heights of the shelves. You can actually put picture frames in here and ones that are actually larger, which I think is really nice. This is one of my favorite desks from Ikea. I actually love this entire collection. It is on the smaller side, so I think it would be really great in a guest room, or you don't have a lot of space for a desk but still want a designated workspace. This is a bookcase that's also in that same collection. It has the same detail and curvature, and it looks way more expensive than a piece that you think would come from Ikea. Moving on to the couches, there were actually a lot more new couches than I were expecting. This one has a round back, some minor tufting on the back side, and was actually pretty comfortable. It had a matching ottoman as well. I think this is really great for a smaller space. These love seat sofas are new and there comes in quite a few colors and fabrics. I think they're so cute and can be great to put in your bedroom or in a small reading nook corner to add extra seating. It's not very large, but I think it looks pretty cozy and comfortable. They also have it in a larger size as a sofa, and the love seat is a little bit more on the pricey side. I'd say the sofa is more bang for your buck.
Say you won't let go, 'cause my bones can't keep taking this. And I think you should know just how long.
This red sofa was my favorite. The arms were deep, but they actually were pretty comfortable. They weren't too high to rest your arms on. It kind of reminds me of a chair that West Elm has that is pretty popular, and I think that this would be a really great option if you like that style and want it in a sofa form. These are a few variations of the Hyuga collection, which they have bookcases, they have TV stands, and then they have the open and enclosed bookcases. And these are made from pine, so a little bit more expensive, but the quality is a little bit nicer. These bookcases stacked together, especially the ones that are enclosed, I think would look really great in your dining space to hold china and extra storage. This teapot is new to me. I really love it. I think the color is really nice. It has the brown around the trim and it's this very cool tone grayish color, which I think is a popular style that I've seen come around.
So high, nearly broken down, 6 feet underneath the frozen ground. But is it too late to save me now?
This is my first time seeing this buffet, which I think looks really nice. It definitely surprised me seeing it at Ikea. It looks like a piece that would be sold for a much higher price, and it is something that I think would look really great in your dining room to hold extra dinnerware or china or as a display cabinet. This room looked so sweet. I think they did such a great job decorating it. It looked like a perfect peaceful sitting area or an addition to an office. It just eluded calmness and brought a lot of joy.
Just say you won't let go, 'cause my bones can't keep taking this. And I think you should know just how long I've been faking it. These walls are caving in, I could use some saving.
I love going into Ikea and looking at the inside of their drawers, in the kitchens and in the bathrooms, and also looking at the pantries. They give such great ideas on how to organize those areas because sometimes those can be difficult places to organize. So any inspiration that you can get is definitely appreciated.
Feet underneath the frozen ground, but is it too late
in the process of decorating my closet. So I definitely came to Ikea for storage inspiration for closets. I spent a lot of time looking through their closet systems. They have so many to choose from. They have built-in ones that you can make look more custom, or they have ones that are a little bit more rental friendly that you don't have to drill into the wall for. They have such great variations to look at. This wardrobe is one of my favorites. I love the detail that it has, and the shaker style doors are really great. I love the little ledge at the top. I think that you can just make this look way more expensive. This bar cart is new to Ikea. I've never seen them have one like this before. I think it looks pretty good quality. Now these baskets were something that they've had out for a while, but they now have new variations. They also have ones that come with a divider. They have some that are a little bit longer and wider. They kind of look like plant stands. So I love that they're extending this collection because they are pretty nice and really great to store items. I've seen them pretty popularly in pantries. Now this light fixture is pretty interesting. You can style it flipped up or down. You can have the larger globe at the top and the ribbed base, or you can do it vice versa. And I really like the ribbed detail. That was really nice, and the gold makes it look pretty expensive. Imagination is chasing after innocent love, but I've been wasting so much time living on cloud nine. Am I the only one who dreamed this up? And I've been standing on the sidelines, waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need her to say that, but I need you to wake me when I fall asleep. I'm dreaming that you think of me, but if you're just too cool, I won't be your fool. Oh, when I fall asleep, I'm dreaming that you think of me, but if you're just too cool, I won't be your fool. Ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes. Hi guys, it is the next day. Last night I spent some time putting together the Ikea bookcase that I got. I actually got that to help me store some of the clothes for our incoming closet makeover. However, I don't think that it's going to work. Unfortunately, our closet is extremely narrow and small, and I just think that it would be more harm than it's worth. It'll kind of get in the way of the clothes. I'll insert some clips here to kind of show you what it looks like. It's a little bit dark now, but I'll show you what it looks like in better lighting. So the closet makeover video is already out, so you would have seen what I've done with the closet at this point, but right now I'm still in the works with it, and I was hoping to have that be extra space for drawers and shelving for like shoes and just overflow of clothes, because our drawer storage here is very limited. The drawer that we have here is on the smaller side because of the wall that we have to have is small. And if you guys have been following along on our bedroom makeover series, you already know this, that we kind of struggle with storage pretty badly in here. I'm hoping to be able to add extra storage along the back side of the wall of the bedroom. I'll show you that area, and I'll show you where the bookcase is at now because I've already moved it out. I'm not loving where it's at now, but I'm hoping that I can get something else to store things right there. So right now the bookcase is over here. I'm not in love with the placement right here. I like having the idea of having something right here to store items. I just don't like this bookcase for right here. Another option would be to put a bench right here, which I think would work much better. However, I still don't think it would be enough. Like, I want a bench, but I also think that we need something right here. But I think having both would just be way too much. Please give me your guys' opinions and thoughts down below if you think that I should have a bench there and like a display cabinet or something to put clothes, or I should do either or. I'm still struggling with it. I was hoping to have, you know, like a leather bench right there, or maybe have an Ikea Besta unit by the window. I'm honestly having a hard time thinking through it. I think I need to bring something up here so I can visualize it because I'm having a hard time doing that. So anyway, that's where I'm at right now. Again, closet makeover is already out, but we're still trying to figure out the storage situation in the closet, or in the bedroom at least. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some organization inspiration. I definitely did. Moving forward, I'm going to start planning my organization for the other areas in my house, which includes our linen closet, underneath the sinks. Our pantry needs it extremely bad. Extremely bad. Our entryway closet, my decor closet. There's so many areas in the house that I have just collected things and just have not found an effective system for organizing, but we are tackling that all this year, including finally finishing this bedroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to click the link in the description box to get 20% off if you use Faith L20 off your purchase at Animaliza. All the products that I've gotten I love deeply. They have been great staple pieces and have just become a part of my style. So I hope you guys can find pieces that you love or give someone a piece as well. But that's all I have today, so I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.